You do not need more motivation. That's not what this video is. These are all the things I have learned along the way that have fundamentally changed my life, and I wish somebody would have showed me this when I was 19 or 20. First things first is fix your environment. That means you need to find the biggest problem. Open up your phone, go to screen time. It'll probably be Instagram or TikTok, YouTube, X. That's where the majority of your day is leaking. We need to go to our notifications tab within our settings, turn off every single notification except phone calls on your phone. We're going to strip your home screen to only priority apps. What you see is what you focus on. I cannot stress that enough. We're going to delete every distraction, game, social app you don't need from your iPhone. You're going to set Grayscale plus a triple tap shortcut so your phone is a snore fest. Every day my phone goes into Grayscale. I don't even want to look at it. It's boring. If you have a gaming console, especially in your work environment, you need to unplug it. You need to uninstall Steam from your computer. Having your PlayStation within 5 feet of you is not a good idea. All it takes is your best friend to call you and say, hey man, get on the game. And you'll go, you know what? Yeah, I'll just do that for 30 minutes and then it's 4 hours later. All right, number 7, clear your desk, only today's work in front of you, and buy a physical journal for a to-do list. So if you put the to-do list on your phone, it's just gonna be easier to get distracted. Same with your laptop. You're gonna draw a line down the middle of the page. Left side is the signal, right side is the noise. Signal is the only focus of that day. That's the highest leverage, most important task that you really know you don't want to do. Noise is worked on after signal is complete. The next thing, and this is a huge tip, it's changed my life, headphones in, noise cancellation on, and the big tip, pause. The big tip is that I use a fan or white noise, and you would be blown away at how quickly you can enter into flow state. Having your phone in the same room while working, even if unused, significantly reduces your performance. Part of the brain is actively working to not check the phone. Performance is best when the device is in another room entirely. Step number 2, we're gonna behave like you already make money. I always thought, oh, once I get money, then I'll start thinking about XYZ. That's like saying, once I get in shape, then I'll start going to the gym. Huh? Doesn't make any sense. We're gonna build the system now so that when music checks start to hit, or any checks, they work for you. You're gonna open an account at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. You're going to create either a money market account or a high yield savings account. The biggest tip here is stop paying attention to the amounts of money right now. It doesn't matter. You are just setting up the system so that when you get paid, your money is now working for you. You're gonna earn 3.5% to 4.5% of your money each year for doing nothing. It's not that exciting, but as time and the pile of money grows, you will become more and more excited. And everybody talks about creating passive income. Well, this is how you start, and passive income is not going to be sexy at first. Now, you're going to create a second account within Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard. You're gonna call it tax savings. Don't get me started. I hate taxes more than anybody. This money that you're gonna put in here is not yours. So you're gonna put 30% in there every month. You're gonna create an automatic transfer within your account so that you don't have to think about it. That means that when the government comes for your money, when you finally make it, you're not going to be stressed out because you spent all of it instead of realizing you have to pay the tax man. Step 3 is track your money. What doesn't get measured gets ignored. My bank account never reflected my success until I started to track every single dollar. I started listening to Dave Ramsey. I downloaded the Every Dollar app. I connected every bank and card to that budgeting app. And then I just started paying attention to where my money was going. And I was cutting things left and right for the next 3 to 6 months. And I was wasting so much money on things I didn't realize. And so you are going to do something similar. You're going to figure out how to cut anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a month within the first 30 days. Once you do that, you're going to take part of that money and you're going to throw it into the quote unquote emergency fund. And the other aspect is invest money into your career. The other thing here, open your bank account app and open your budget app every single day. You only need to check it one time. But once you understand how much money is in the account and how much money you're spending every single day, you're gradually going to want to increase the balance of your bank account. I could not handle a few grand, so when I started making real money, I blew it all. Step number 4 is you need to maintain the machine. So you are the asset and the machine. Just because you can get away with destroying your body when you're young doesn't mean you should. Sitting down at a chair 8 to 12 hours a day and not doing any form of exercise, it's going to catch up to you. I can't tell you how many friends my age, 29, 30, 31, are all experiencing back problems because we just sat in a chair doing producer back all day, right? We don't want that. 2, and this changed my life in 2022, upgrade your studio chair and your bed to the nicest thing you can get away with paying for. Think about it. You're going to sit in this chair all day. You're going to sleep in that bed 8 hours a night. They should both be really nice because they're going to determine your ability to lock in and get quality sleep. Number 3, cold shower in the morning. Wake your body up and practice doing hard things first. 4, and I still struggle with this, audit your food. If it's fried, processed, or fast, it is taxing your brain and your discipline. Number 5, it is the Get Brick app. Every single morning, I used to check my phone, go to Instagram, start doom scrolling, and I'd spend the first hour or two glued to my bed, having aspirations to get up and do stuff, but they have engineered these things to be as addicting as possible. So in the morning, my phone no longer works. I can't do anything on it. I don't keep the brick in my room or anywhere near where I sleep. At 6 a.m., my phone is bricked. I can't use it. And at 10 p.m., it gets bricked and I can't use it. I recently bought a Kindle. I was a hater for a long time. I read more than ever. I have my Kindle near me at all times. It's like a phone. It's not very big. It's convenient. And I can read it outside without it heating up. And now I am filling my brain with more knowledge rather than just doom scrolling. This last one in here is I stopped watching YouTube while I eat. Unless you're watching my video, then keep watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, please. We have found the perpetual escape out of boredom, which is our iPhone. You do not need to stimulate your brain all of the time. You need to actually starve it, because what's going to happen is now your brain will have nothing to do but think about things you have been avoiding, which is usually the work you should be doing. I have realized I need to do everything in my power to combat the addictive behavior that social media do to my brain. Here's what I know for sure. Most of you are going to watch this and you're not going to change anything. I am telling you everything I wish someone would have told me. Take advantage of somebody telling you what to avoid so that you have the most productive year of your life so far. If making music was all it took to fix your career, there'd be a lot more famous people. Talent just means you're good at making music. That's it. It does not guarantee you a career. A real career comes from accepting that you have to build systems around your music business. If you actually listen to this and follow the steps in the video, you'll look back 3 months from now and barely recognize how you used to operate. And a year from now, you won't even relate to the person you are today. If you want more one-on-one help or a group setting of other serious music producers, I recommend that you check out my school community. I have tons of information like this. I'll also personally help you optimize your day-to-day. All you have to do is join my live calls every Tuesday at 12 p.m. I just had my 102nd live call. If you are at a point in your career where you need a mentor, somebody who's already gone down the path you want to go, that's exactly what I built my community for. There's also some very cool people in the community who started off not really knowing where they were going to go. You got NATO, you got Samuel, Fly Dutch Guy, you got Andy, you got Hugo, you got Magnus, just to name a few people who have joined, seen the benefits, and are now doing very well in their career. My name is Half. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you. Take care.